guys, welcome back. This recipe is for all my banana lovers. We're making cream cheese banana bread. For this recipe, you will need granulated sugar, all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, cream cheese, vanilla extract, of course, light brown sugar, vegetable oil, sour cream, some salt, and 2 eggs along with 2 ripe bananas. All right, let's also not forget to wash our hands very well. So with our baking pan, I did just go ahead and put butter in there and flour and basically just, got that set to the side. Then in our mixing bowl, we're going to add 1 egg. This is going to be our bread. A fourth cup of vegetable oil. Our 1 cup of brown sugar. And we're taking a fourth cup of sour cream. So random, but trust me on this. Then we need 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. I only have a half a tablespoon, so I'm putting 2 to make 1 full tablespoon. I can't speak. Whisk that up. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Then we're taking the 2 mashed bananas that we did in a separate bowl, and we're adding that to the mixture. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Then we're taking the cup of all-purpose flour, adding that in there, along with our half a teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Then we're going to take a pinch of salt, literally a pinch, dumping the rest. And we're going to go ahead and whisk that up as well. Fun stuff. Okay, so this is the part we're going to put half of the bread batter into the pan that we're going to use to bake the bread in. So literally you're just filling the bottom portion, and using half the batter. Lennox in the background being cray cray. Then we're going to put that to the side, and we're going to make our cream cheese mixture. So we're taking 4 ounces of cream cheese, 1 egg. I'm the worst egg cracker. Then we're taking 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and a half a cup of granulated sugar. And we're going to go ahead and whisk that up very well. This is our cream cheese mixture. So this part is kind of tricky. You're just going to literally lay it on top. You're not going to mix it together. You're just going to lay it on top nicely, trying to just make layers, basically. You get my drift. It's like a science. Lennox is not happy right now. Then we're taking the remaining banana bread batter and literally just pouring it right over top the cream cheese mixture, because this is going to be the top of the bread. So be careful not to mess with the layer of the cream cheese. Literally just put it right on top and let it sit. We're going to go ahead and bake for 35 to 40 minutes. I started with 35 minutes, but I ended up putting it in for a full 40. There you have it, guys. This is going to be the most bomb banana bread you ever had in your life. I promise you. Look at that clean toothpick. Perfect. Look at that crust. Just amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like it, please subscribe and thumbs it up. Bye.